Welcome back to Workshop Wednesday. This week, our licensed mental health counselor, Jen Evans, talked about skimboarding and the beauty of showing up for yourself every day, no matter what the waves look like. This is known as micro acceptances, or understanding when we wake up in the morning, what is it that we can take today? Are we at a 1% capacity and we can do the small things that really matter? Or are we at a deep day where we're ready to dive in? So let's review what these surf check conditions look like. Starting off with the shallow zone. Those are those muscle memory days where we show up for ourselves in small but mighty ways. Mid-zone days are the days where we have steady progress, and deep zone days are these breakthrough days where it feels like we could change our whole life in one afternoon. Take the time to do an internal surf check today. What do your internal waves look like? When we talk about these zones, we're really talking about capacity, what's actually available to you today. For health, the shallow zone is maybe drinking one more glass of water or really paying attention to hydration. Maybe it's stretching for 5 minutes or choosing an early bedtime. These are small but powerful micro acceptances. They count more than you think. Mid-zone in health, this is where steady progress lives, going for a 30-minute walk, prepping your meals for the day, journaling for stress. Nothing dramatic, but these add up to real consistency. And then deep zone days in health. These are the breakthrough days. Maybe you crush a new workout or you run your longest distance, finally spend the afternoon truly unplugged and recharged. These days feel big because they are, but they only happen because of the shallow and mid-zone practices underneath. So let's pause and do our mid-week surf check. Ask yourself, what zone am I in today? And then, what is one action that matches that zone? Here are some examples. If you're in a shallow day, maybe your win is standing up from your desk and taking 3 deep breaths. If you're in a mid, maybe it's preparing a balanced dinner or moving your body for 20 minutes. If you're in deep, maybe you tackle that workout or project you've been building towards. The biggest takeaway is that all 3 zones matter. Shallow isn't less important, it's the foundation. Mid is where resilience grows, and deep is where breakthrough happens. Think about it as muscle memory. Your brain and body build capacity through repetition. Showing up consistently, even on our 1% capacity days, builds our resilience and the foundation for lasting change. So, the rest of this Workshop Wednesday is guided by you. Do your internal surf check, name your zone, and take one action that fits it. Thanks for tuning in again. If you'd like to, you can leave a comment about what works for you on your shallow water days, and I look forward to seeing you next week.